Good afternoon, everyone. It's 17th of November 2018, Saturday, day 18 of my daily video project. It's around 20 past 5. I'm just waiting for a friend to come over so we can go and have a walk around the neighborhood and have some light meals afterwards. I got up a bit late because I had a hangover. Actually finished the bottle of red wine last night, and so that wasn't really nice. I'm not a drinker. I don't drink a lot, or I don't drink often. This morning was just the usual weekend cleaning and tidying up. I'm a bit struggling today because my brain's still not working properly and physically tired, but I wanted to complete this video today. I think the video yesterday was the longest video that I have uploaded so far in the last 17 days. So by the time I got up this morning, I thought it was all uploaded, but it took a while for that to happen, and so I published it a bit late. Yeah, that was some interesting video. That was probably the less edited video I ever produced. I was chatty, really chatty. I'm still probably a bit upset. Combination of upset and the alcohol, and yeah, getting to bed late. I was chatting with a girlfriend last night as well, and she's so sweet. She's just giving me lots of encouragement, and and I'm so glad I have friends like that. Like, I don't have a lot of friends, but the very limited friends that I have, they are quality people. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the new subbies. Thank you so much for subscribing. Looks like some of you are really interested in finding out what my life's all about, and I am hopeful that eventually when I get back to my normal programming, then I will be doing videos on product reviews, because that is the whole premise of why I started this YouTube channel anyway. I really wanted to provide more reviews about beauty products or skincare products, on accessories or fashion, etc. And once I'm done with this 30-day video project, I will be filming on product reviews, these product empties, and eventually I want to get involved with the project pan community, with the view of being minimalist. So thank you so much for all the new subscribers, and I am hoping that as we grow this community and this channel, then let me know what topics you want to discuss, or if there are any specific products that you want me to review. I've only gone through, I didn't realize this because I haven't touched my channel for the last 3 years, and there were around 100 comments that I haven't reviewed and haven't even replied. And so in the next few days, I'd like to go through that and message you individually, all my subbies now. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me that you are subscribed. And content wise, let's develop this together. Let me know what you want me to talk about. I noticed in the comments that a few of you wants me to do more reviews on skincare, or a lot of my friends actually don't know that I am doing YouTube, so they think that I'm just taking photos or videos for usual videos, but I am developing them into a YouTube YouTube document. It's not much to do, not much to say. Keeping it real. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch these. I appreciate you, and I shall see you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.